Hello, welcome to the step-by-step guide for the execution of a test case. Log into the application with the given credentials. Once you are successfully logged in, you will see the dashboard. Click on Run Test Case. Choose the customer. Choose the particular instance on which you want to run the test case. Select the module. You will see all the test cases available for this module. If you want to execute the test case update change job, first, download the test data file. Download and update the test data file with the required details. Once you have updated the required fields, refer to the video on how to update the test data for a particular test case. Then select the test case and click on Run Test Case. To execute any test case, you must provide test data. Upload the updated test data file. Choose the browser on which you want to view the execution. If you want to see the live execution, keep grid mode on. Click on Submit. Once you submit the test case, execution will begin. You will receive notifications regarding the test case execution. 2 notifications will be triggered. Start notification indicates the test case execution has started. Completion notification indicates when the test case execution is completed. For the live view, select the test case name to see how the execution is progressing. You can view the step-by-step execution of all components. Once the browser is launched, it will log into the Oracle application. While executing the live view, you can see the Excel data. For this test case, it will show iteration and sub-iteration, e.g. 1. Username, URL, all the fields entered by the user. You can verify the test data provided. During execution, check for notifications. You will receive a start notification and later, a completion notification when execution is finished. This is how you can view the test case execution and get notified once execution is completed. This is the live view of the execution process. Thank you for watching.